Hey everybody, today's the 22nd of June, 2024. I'm Connor with Honor. Santa Clarita Open Houses have some great open house information for you today. I'll give you the update. 424 active listings. That is up from last week by about 20. So we do have more listings on the market for sale. However, those listings aren't lasting very long depending on how they're priced. Let me give you these numbers. So currently 424 total actives. Breaking that down, we have 14 properties coming soon, 68 new listings, 62 prices have changed, 21 properties have had their prices changed. Actually, majority of those are reductions, believe it or not. Back on market properties, 39 properties have gone active under contract, 48 properties have gone pending, 103 properties have closed this past 7 days, 6 expired, 6 canceled, 6 put on hold. There's that. 3 have been withdrawn. So right now we're looking at this inventory here in Santa Clarita Valley. Currently over this weekend, so we're talking Saturday and Sunday, and you can find all this information at santaclaritaopenhouses.com. But you're going to have 15 open houses in Valencia today, anywhere between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. A typical open house time frames, just for you people, you folks visiting, anywhere from 11 to 3, 9 to 2, something of that nature. Typically, agents have their afternoons busy or earlier mornings busy, filled with listings or getting those open houses ready for the market and getting those advertised out there within the multiple listing service and also the syndication sites. It comes to prove that the earlier the posting, the more runtime and the advertising of the open house does help sellers, if in case you didn't know that. So this is the breakdown. We have 15 open houses in Valencia this weekend, 10 open houses in Saugus this weekend. We have 12 open houses being held in Canyon Country. We have 8 in Newhall, 6 in Stevenson Ranch, 5 in Castaic. And that's going to give us this total residential breakdown of single-family residences in Valencia, California, currently active for sale. 134, Stevenson Ranch 22, Saugus 45, Canyon Country 57, Newhall 32, Castaic 18, Acton also 18. So couple things I can explain to you as far as what's happening in the local market. We do have a seller's market currently, and that being the case, we see that some buyers are getting frustrated because of the high level of competition. How you best compete is to remove yourself from the equation, at least emotionally, and keep a logical view of all things. You are out to purchase a residence. Most of the houses you're going into, those sellers want to sell a residence. So remove all of the other emotion and look at this as more of a longer term investment, because that's what real estate has proven to be for very many people. And in fact, most people, when they purchase real estate, they do under the guise that at some point in the future, they will have equity in that residence, build some sort of wealth. And the more you have, maybe the more wealth you can build. So this is that thought process to do not lose yourself. You sellers as well, do not get caught up emotionally in the process. Make sure you rely on your steady real estate advisor. I'm Connor with Honor, being steady. We'll talk to you soon, and thanks for watching today's real estate update. Check us out at santaclaritaopenhouses.com. And remember, whenever we have one featured on there, you'll be able to find us around 1 p.m. at each open house. We do have a buyer briefing and explain the purchasing process here, at least in a local neighborhood, in the same price range of the open house we're going to be at. We'll talk about loan limits and those other exciting things. I'm Connor with Honor. Thank you for watching. Be well, and we'll talk to you soon. Over and out.